Asampayetia Obayansa Fuso Bunubia Wankana Asam Zemafu to some Kakre.
This afternoon, we are privileged to have one-on-one an organization which works on sanitation in schools and other communities with us. They work in conjunction with Ghana Education Service and their sponsors, which is Unilever. Some of their products, you know, Unilever deals in many products, just but a few of them. Rexona, Vim, and Keep Brilliant. So these are the items they are here to demonstrate. That which we use in washing, that the deodorants, whatever, for personal hygiene. And so we crave your indulgence to pay attention to them and go by what they tell you. You're most welcome, and let everybody be part of this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Yes, before we start the distribution of, as human beings, we do so many activities, physical activities. Even from birth, we start sweating. And as we move along within the environment, we have bacteria settling on our body. When sweat and bacteria mixes, it creates this pungent smell. Some of us have this, and which results in bad body odor. I hope as we stand, there are some of us, we lose our confidence in getting into society or groupings because we realize there is some smell around us. Society also frowns on such pungent smell. So deodorant has been produced, and the composition of deodorant has it that it kills this pungent smell 100%. When you put on this Rexona deodorant, the Rexona deodorant has this composition that I've talked about. When you put it on, it stays with you for 48. Whilst we are doing this, we are maintaining the social distance. We shouldn't be so close together. Let's maintain the social distance. And everybody coming to pick this should have his or her nose masks on. We are observing all the protocols associated with the COVID-19. Social distances. We wash our hands thoroughly with
Asampayetia Obayansa Fuso Bunubia Wankana Asam Zemafu to some Kakre wa Supreme. Yo Kofi, oh man, ya woman, oh man, ya mana, Yeni baby, ako, wacha, ya wareni, Bonsom, wanini pa, Asa depa, wofio ye. Yamo yembera ye, ebe ya ifiyana. Oma ya umano, oma ya mamana. Adiwa ya nora, nyamichada, nyamana renya. Wanso wanyinyi pa, sawa ya wanabe. Yamo yembera ye, ebe ya ifiyana. Wanso wanyinyi pa. Zadepa ofio yo, kamo yembera ye, ebe ya ifiyana, ama be ya ifiyana, ama be yo, asite be ya ifiyana, oh, ama be ya. ọbẹ